Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a whole wheat multigrain seeded bread, homemade bread. So delicious and nutritious, crispy from the outside and soft from the inside. This bread you can use it for breakfast with some cream cheese and smoked salmon, or you can use it to make sandwiches to take with you to work or for kids to school. Put a little burger on it or sauteed chicken, whatever you like to put on this bread is very healthy, delicious, and nutritious. Stay with me to see all the steps and the ingredients. For the ingredients, we use 500 ml of water, and I start with 300 ml of buttermilk, or you can use plain yogurt or milk. Then 0.35 ounces of yeast. Mix everything. And a little spoon of honey to help the yeast mix everything. Then I add some grated zucchini here. You can use zucchini, carrots, or apples. Is 3.5 ounces of grated fresh vegetables. Mix everything again. Then I add 1.7 cup of oats or oatmeal. Less than 2 cups. This bread don't need no blender, no machine, nothing. It's only you mix everything with the wooden spoon. And I'm using here 0.8 cups of wholemeal flour. Use any flour you prefer. And 17.5 ounces of whole wheat flour. Mix everything. See, as I'm mixing here, I see that the liquid, I need to add some more liquid, is not enough. Here I'm adding the salt. I didn't add it in the beginning. It's 1.5 or 1.5 teaspoon of salt. And for the liquid, I'm adding 200 ml of buttermilk. Also now, the last step, I add the seeds is 0.8 cups. Is less than 1 cup of mixed seeds. You can use pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, chia seeds, flax seed, any seed you have. You mix them right there. And you see here the texture of this mixture. It's not too liquidy and it's not, thick. That's it. We will mix everything and put it on the fridge at least 8 hours or overnight. Before that, we bake this bread next day. Or you can mix it in the morning and bake it in the evening. But be sure to cover it good with the plastic wrap and put it on the fridge. Don't leave it out. And this is now the next day. This is my mixture. I add on the top of it some sesame seeds and the rest of the seed that I have. Any seeds you have, you want to add them, you can add them on the top like that. That's what will be on the top of the bread. Some chia seeds, sesame seeds, pumpkin seeds, anything we have home. And I will press a little bit of the back of a spoon like that. You will stick on the mixture of bread. At this time, my oven is, I'm heating my oven. The oven is on. 500 degrees Fahrenheit. And when I put the bread right there, I will lower it to 450 or 460. I take like a serving spoon like that or smaller, dip it in the water, then I put a little bit quantity of that bread dough on top of that baking sheet. I use most time on my baking the parchment paper like that, nothing sticks in the sheet or baking sheet. And be sure that this bread is not too high raised, like with the back of the spoon. You press it a little bit before that you put it in the oven. Don't leave it too high, but it's not low also. You see, it's so easy. Like each time we dip this spoon on the water, then we take a little bit of this mixture and we put it on the baking sheet. Also, I put in the oven water, some small pots with the water. I lowered the temperature to 450 460. It bakes between 12 to 15 minutes, and that's the final result. Crispy from the outside and it's fresh and soft from the inside. I'm showing you one here after it cool off a little bit. It's very healthy, delicious and nutritious bread, and also very easy to make. You don't need that much effort to make it. And also this bread freezes so good after it cool off. You can put it on freezer zip bags and leave it in the freezer. Anytime you need bread, you take some out and warm it. It's really delicious bread. Let me know in the comments how did you like it, and see you next time in a new recipe and new video, and enjoy.